say I do in the heart of nature. Here, vows are spoken not inside walls, but beneath the trees, surrounded by nature's cathedral. A promise waiting to be made. A celebration as wild and as beautiful as the love it honors. Whispering springs, wilderness weddings made unforgettable.